Place your hand in a receptive position now, and let's sanctify your mind and sanctify your consciousness. Get everything out of there that can't stand money. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Let me hear you say, don't be indifferent to money.
Don't be indifferent to money.
I dig out all of the negative ideas about money.
I dig out all the negative ideas about money.
I forgive myself.
I forgive myself.
Of all negative ideas about money.
Of all negative ideas about money.
Of all negative ideas that has kept money away from me.
Of all negative ideas that has kept money away from me.
I absolve money of all accusation of evil.
I absolve money of all accusation of evil.
I forgive myself for criticizing people who have money.
I forgive myself for criticizing people who have money.
From now on,
I
will bless every sign of money.
I will bless every sign of money.
I bless everybody who looks successful and prosperous. So it is. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Down there in that deeper subconscious, right here and right now. And may the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my Redeemer. Let me hear you say, don't be indifferent to money.
Don't be indifferent to money.
From now on, I will bless every sign of money.
I will bless every sign of money.
I release negative beliefs that have kept money from me.